Okay, so you have become a Seesaw Pioneer, and now you want to add your digital badge to your email signature. If you haven't already got an email signature, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you'll get an email from Seesaw once you finish your Pioneer certification, and you can use this same process for creating and adding your credentials to your digital signatures um, in your Gmail. So we open up our Seesaw Pioneer, tells you congratulations for all the resources. The first thing that you're going to want to do is grab the badge. And so it'll give you the Seesaw Pioneer badge. You can either click to download it by clicking here, or like I did, just click right on the picture and this will download it right to either your PC or your Chromebook, whatever you're working on. The email gives you lots of great information about the Seesaw Community Learning Hub, all kinds of great information. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open up our settings in our Gmail. So we're going to click on the settings and we're going to go to see all settings. And we're going to scroll about 3/4 of the way down and you'll see signature on the left hand side. So I'm going to keep scrolling down and you will see signature. Okay, so now what your signature is what goes at the bottom of any email that you send out. So you can even put it to where it has respectfully or sincerely, whatever you would like to put in there. I like to keep it so that it has, and you can see my signatures already here that I've got, what my title is at the school that I work at, classroom contact, cell phone, or my Google Voice contact. And then you can see that I've already got some of my digital credentials or digital badges that I've got for my certification. Now, what we want to do is we want to add our Pioneer certification to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to edit my signature. Now, if you don't already have a signature, you can create a new signature, and the process is essentially the same thing. If you go to create a new signature, you can choose your typeface, you can choose the color of your text, whatever it is that you would like to do. Remember, when you're making this signature, I would encourage you to choose fonts and colors that are not overwhelming or hard to read. I would really stay away from any kind of the cursive fonts that can be difficult for some people to read. You want your email signature to be as user friendly as possible. And so really stick to it's okay to pick different fonts or different things, but sometimes if you select a font that maybe is hard to read, people might have difficulty seeing your signature or getting it. So I'm going to go to edit my signature. And what I'm going to do is, because I've already got my stuff in here, I've got my signature here, so I can go in and you have where your cursor is, and I'm going to put my cursor right here at the end after my HRS, and this is where I'm going to insert my graphic. So I've already downloaded it. You can do this with any digital certificate that you have. If you have Google certification, your Screencastify give you some digital badges. So I'm going to go through, and at the bottom here, you see one that looks like a little picture of mountains to insert an image. So I'm going to insert an image, and I am going to upload from what I just downloaded. So first you have to download it to your Chromebook or your computer. Then I'm going to go to the upload. I'm going to select a file from my device, and this is the one that I just had, which is my Pioneer badge, and I'm going to hit the open button. Now, the first thing that you're going to see is it's going to put it in there, but it's going to be huge, right? So my Seesaw badge, look at it. That thing is massive. So what we want to do is just click anywhere inside the badge, and you'll see where it has original size. And what we want to do is change that icon size to small. And we change that icon size to small, we will now see that it put my Seesaw Pioneer badge right in there next to my other badges or the things that I've got. So when I'm done with this and I've got everything set, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom once I get my signature. You can have multiple signatures for multiple things. I use the same signature on anything, whether it's a new email or reply or forwarded email. You could certainly change and say on a new email, you get the full signature. If I'm replying to you or something like that, you've already got my contact information, you get a different signature. I don't do that. I have just one signature for my email, but you could certainly set up different signatures. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to hit Save Changes, and that will update my email signature. So now any email that I send will have that new signature indicate or located at the bottom of it with my digital credential, letting people know that I am a certified Seesaw Pioneer. Congratulations on the hard work to become a pioneer. Now it's time to show it off and let the world know. Have a great day. If you need anything, be sure to email me at burke.egner@alschools.org. Thank you.